Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to memorize the entire set of Thai mid-class consonants with just a single sentence. Here is the sentence. Gai, Chik, Dek, Thai, Bon, Bak, Ong. This one sentence contains all 9 mid-class characters. It becomes even easier to memorize if you read it while visualizing the illustration. So let's take a look right away. Mid-class consonants are one of the consonant classes and serve as a standard for tone rules. There are 9 characters in total. Let's read them in order. Gò Gai, Jò Jàn, Dò Shà Đà, Tò Pa Tak, Dò Đek, Tò Tàu, Bò Bai Mai, Pò Pla, O Ang. These 9 characters are the mid-class consonants. First, let's take a look at the sentence to memorize. Gai, Chik, Dek, Thai, Bon, Bak, Ong. The meaning is, a chicken pecks a child to death on the mouth of a water jar. All the Thai mid-class consonants are contained within this sentence. The characters that are colored are the mid-class consonants. Let's check the meaning of each word together. Gai is chicken. Chik is peck. Dek is child. Bai is die. Bon is on. Bak is mouth. Ong is water jar. You can memorize all the mid-class consonants just by memorizing this one sentence. Here, we will break down the first half of the sentence to memorize it. Gai, chicken. Dik, peck. Dek, child. When you read these 3 connected, it becomes Gai, Dik, Dek. It means a chicken pecks a child. This part contains the mid-class consonants Ga, Jaw, and Daw. First, let's try reading it aloud slowly. Next, we have the 4 words in the second half. Thai, Bon, Bak, Ong. In the context of the sentence, this means die on the mouth of the water jar. The parts colored in red are the mid-class consonants. Let's take a look while focusing on which characters are the mid-class consonants. Here are the English translation. Kakai, Jojan, Dodek, Totao, Bobaimai, Bopla, Oang, Doshada, To Patak. These 9 are the mid-class consonants. They are all included in the sentence to memorize. When memorizing mid-class consonants, I recommend learning the sentence and the illustration together as a set. Reading it out loud helps it stick even better. Also, highlighting just the mid-class consonants in a different color makes them much easier to see. If you memorize the sentence by saying it out loud along with the picture, you'll learn it in no time. Let's guess which character is a mid-class consonant. Number 1 is Gò Gai, Kho Kai, and Kho Kwai.
The mid-class consonant is the one on the far left, กอไก่ Number 2 is จอจาน ชอชิง and ทอทหาร The mid-class consonant is the first one, จอจาน Number 3 is ปอปลา ผอผ่าน and ฟอฟาน The mid-class consonant is only the one on the left, ปอปลา
There are only 9 mid-class consonants in total, and if you memorize this sentence, kai, chik, dek, tai, bon, pok, ong, you can memorize all 9 characters at once. These are very important characters for tone rules as well, so please try memorizing them together with this sentence. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. I will continue to upload videos useful for learning Thai. Please look forward to it.